I can reach my airport by paying 2000 rupees in just 20 minutes, guys. But since I told you I'm traveling on a budget, so I have to save more.
What station जाएगी
एग्जीक्यूटिव कोर्ट जाएगा एग्जीक्यूटिव कोर्ट I got down in my last bus station, that is Executive Court 1, and from here it's only 5 minutes walk to my hotel. Zebra crossing, and there is red signal. Only at green signal we have to walk. Otherwise, no. Otherwise we'll be fined. To go fast. See, it's blinking. Yes, from this distance I can see my hotel there. Let me show you. So guys, instead of spending 2000 Indian rupees, I spent only 11 dirhams. That is around 220 rupees. It's not because I can't spend money, but when you are traveling solo and if you don't want to explore, then what is the use of solo travel? I love exploring the places, guys, and the public transport of Dubai is superb. See, you can see some restaurants behind me. Here you can see one green square. That is my hotel, Holiday Inn Express. Actually, today's plan was going into the hotel, having dinner, and then starting to the Lamer beach. There are 3 to 4 famous beaches in Dubai: Lamer Beach, Kite Beach, Palm Jumeirah, and JBR Beach. But Lamer Beach is one of the most happening beaches in Dubai. So let's see, because the beach will close at 10 p.m. today. So let's see whether I'm able to make it to there or not. I think 1.5 to 2 hours is gone, but it's okay. I'm really very satisfied. Even without having any knowledge, I bought the Nol card. I topped it up. I think this is the entrance. Yes. Holiday Inn Express, right? Yeah. Yes, I'm just checking at the hotel right now. Holiday Inn Express Jumeirah. So once I checked in, then I'll show you my bill. So guys, apart from my payment, I have to pay extra 40 dirhams for the government of UAE as a tourism tax. In India also your hotel is famous.
Huh?
In India, in my country also your hotel is famous.
It's famous?
Yeah.
Yeah, Holiday Inn is famous.
Yeah, because it's very difficult to get holidays.
It's difficult.
Yeah,
It's really famous. Not most people that come,
Yeah.
they just come because they know the name. It's familiar. Right?
okay. No, I personally know Holiday Inn Express. Not because of the name. Because in major cities in India, it has very good architecture.
Wow.
You are from here only?
Me?
Yeah. Your home country?
No, Africa.
Africa, yeah. My father worked in Addis Ababa,
Addis Ababa, that
Yeah.
is
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia. Wow. Thank you. So I need to give you back balance, but I do not have change.
Okay, let me check whether I have. Because I don't know where can I get change.
Supermarket, literally.
Okay. 40, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that will help.
So guys, if you stay at this hotel, they provide shuttle buses to the following locations for free of cost. I think Glamour Beach will be closed at 10 p.m., right?
It's closed up. Swimming is, I think, closes like 8.
But what about if you want to have a walk at the beach?
Yeah, you can walk, I think.
Even after 10 p.m. we can walk?
I think you can.
Shops will be open?
Sorry?
Restaurants will be open there?
Yeah, I think mostly coffee shops.
Okay.
They are open. Most of them they close by maybe 10 or 11:30.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you too. Have a nice day with us.
Thank you. Which way is the lift? Okay, thank you. So guys, I got my room and the person assisted was Miss Brenda from Africa. Thank you. Yeah, 4 only. The room is 403. It's, yeah, this one. This is my room. This. It is open, but where should I keep the card? Oh, I think I should swipe the card. It's a new system, guys. How many of you know? Yeah, it's already there.
Okay, yeah, you just for keep it. Just to keep it.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So, guys, it was really funny. I was searching, like, see, keep like this. Oh, this is my room. In Dubai Jumeirah, Holiday Inn Express. Let's see what are behind these curtains. pretty decent room. This is the washroom. This is the shower area. Guys, finally I reached my hotel after struggling for 2 hours, but it's very worth, guys. It's very worth, and I'm happy. So let me think what I should do, where I should go. See you later. Guys, I'm really hungry and I don't have the strength to go out and find for restaurants. So I brought with me cup noodles. So for today I'll be ending with the cup noodles, and then I will decide where to go, whether to the Lamar beach or somewhere else. And one more thing, the most important thing today I should do is, I have already found 3 supermarkets nearby, so I have to buy a case of water bottles, guys. That is really very important, and you will get at a cheap price. For 6 dirhams I think you will get around 5 bottles or 6 bottles, I don't know. I'll take you there if I go. Okay, I'll have lunch and we'll meet outside.